Hi, I'm Sarah Flannery. I'm the president of the American Institute of Chemical Engineers at UF. We wanted to tell you more about AIChE today. As we're the home for chemical engineering students, we offer opportunities for community within chemical engineering, professional opportunities, and creative technical projects.
I am the external programs director, so our job is to help create the professional development opportunities within the club. This includes industry info sessions with companies like ExxonMobil, PepsiCo, Micron, and so many more. And then we also do grad school info sessions with different schools such as Johns Hopkins or Georgia Tech.
AIChE has given me a lot of opportunities to learn about different industries within chemie. So we have frequent companies come in and talk to us about their industry. So I've actually accepted a co-op with PepsiCo, and it's in packaging, research and development, which is not a common opportunity.
I even got internship offers because I was a part of AIChE. On the outside, seeing all of that happen on the inside made me want to be a part of it.
We also have the Mentor-Mentee program, which pairs up new chemical engineering students with more experienced ones that can offer guidance.
It's nice to ask people questions that know a lot more than you, especially if you're a freshman. You can kind of just go to the seniors. They're friendly. There's mentors, so you can easily approach someone and not feel like you're bothering them because they signed up to help you. And they're just very inviting and welcoming, and it makes it feel more like a home.
Another thing that we do within AIChE, we have design teams. So that's a really good way to get involved too, especially if you don't quite know what you want to do. So we have three design teams. We have ChemiCube, which we work to build a chemical process within a cubic foot. And so like this year, for example, we're doing carbon capture. So it's just like real world applications. And then we also have ChemiCar, where you're building a small scale car and you have a battery and you develop a stopping mechanism. And so that's also like, you go to competition and stuff for that. And we also have another design team that they just work within a computer software to build an industrial scale process. So within the design teams, it really gives a way to really see like what you would be doing as a chemical engineer. So I think that's a really neat aspect that we have.
When it comes to doing things with the community, we go to local schools and museums and things like that to kind of just show what engineers do and get kids interested in science. So we'll do demonstrations of different experiments and teach different concepts in chemical engineering, physics, and then chemistry. And it's very fun. And then also one last thing we do is general community service. So we'll work with Habitat for Humanity and help someone build a house, or go to the food banks locally and just kind of give back to the community that gives us everything we have.
Internals is responsible for all of the social events, so like sports competitions, intramural events, game nights, all that sort of thing. We even have a end of semester barbecue at Lake Wahlberg. There's also the Coffee with Chemie event, which is a great opportunity to make connections with professors. As a whole, if I were to give internals one task, I would say it's to make connections between students, professors, and other students.
UF is just such an amazing place, whether it's for academics or it's for life outside of the classroom. Like academic-wise, it's just a great research institution. The professors are great, and it's a great academic experience. And then on top of that, there's so many opportunities for involvement, so many opportunities at sporting events, just different options like that. And it's just a great place to be, and it's just a great community to be a part of.
I love the community here, and it really is just an all-around amazing school. Between athletics and academics, there's something for everybody.
If there's anything you could need chemical engineering related, you can find it in AIChE.